put in place. The entire argument that Anmol Panwar right now has made is one of hypocrisy. He is asking, and not just him, the Congress party is asking as well, the same situation that is today on the 11th of May was before 4th of May as well. So why is it that only once the elections have gotten over, suddenly we have woken up to the fact that, oh, the economy is in distress and therefore we need austerity measures? ये तो पहले भी बोला जा सकता था ना, और अगर पहले बोल दिया जाता तो maybe, you know, the sort of expenditure that has happened during polls would not have happened.
Well, Punjab has a municipal body and the panchayat election. Let them put that on halt. Let the democracy be put on halt in Punjab.
Okay.
They won't do that. They're already getting up for that.
So we won't lie like the Prime Minister. We won't lie.
Please.
We won't misguide the people of this country.
Is it your debate or is it part of the parliamentary debate?
No, there was a cavalcade of 3,000 buses during the Ganga Expressway inauguration. Was the Prime Minister not aware of the fact that we are facing a crisis? Why did you go to West Bengal and did a massive road show? क्या जरूरत है चार्टर्ड प्लेन में घूमने की? क्या समस्या केवल आम आदमी झेलेगा इस देश का? नेता क्या इसी तरह से राजशाही करते रहेंगे?
नहीं, नेता तो आपके भी राजशाही करते हैं. अरविंद केजरीवाल का कौन
झूठ तो नहीं बोलते हम?
नहीं,
जनता को झूठ तो नहीं बोलते?
एक मिनट, अरविंद केजरीवाल तो सीएम भी नहीं है. कौन वो देखा?
Arvind Kejriwal is not the Prime Minister of the country.
आपने उनका
Arvind Kejriwal,
exactly.
Arvind Kejriwal is not the Prime Minister of the country. The Prime Minister of the country knew before elections. Shreya ji, before elections, these BJP spokespersons and the Prime Minister says there's no shortage. किसी तरह की कोई कमी नहीं है. We have massive surplus of oil and reserves of oil, petrol and diesel. But what happened just after the elections? What changed suddenly?
मेरे को opposition से एक बात समझनी है चित्रा जी. What is the problem?
Can I complete? Well, there's no way. I mean, you get a person to start howling in between and then you jump. I mean, that's not fair.
आरपी सिंह जी को नाराज कर बोलिए. आरपी सिंह जी बोलिए, आप बोलिए.
वो वैगनआर गाड़ी थी ना एक ब्लू कलर की, वो कहाँ चले गई? वो शीश महल और 3 कमरे का फ्लैट में रहने की बात हुई थी विदाउट एयर कंडीशन. वो कहाँ चले गए? वो 3 शीश महल बने नहीं. गिव मी अ सेकंड. वो भगवंत मान का एरोप्लेन यूज होता है ऐसे चार्टर प्लेन, सरकारी एरोप्लेन यूज होता है ऐसे चार्टर प्लेन फॉर प्राइवेट ट्रिप्स ऑफ मिस्टर केजरीवाल. भगवंत मान बेचारे उसके
मोवाडो की घड़ी कहाँ गई? मोवाडो का पेन कहाँ गया प्रधानमंत्री जी का?
And therefore अनमोल पनवर हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है. Anyway,
बलगरी के सनग्लासेस कहाँ गए?
And therefore you should please look into your house. बोलते हैं ना जिनके घर शीशों के होते हैं उनको पत्थर नहीं मारना चाहिए. वो आम आदमी पार्टी ऐसी बातें करती है.
श्रेया जी, Prime Minister of a country was aware that we are facing a severe crisis. Even during the Iran and US war, everyone was standing with the Prime Minister. We were with the country, but he misguided the people. That's the problem.
No. So
he lied to the country. That's the problem.
Chitra ji, एक minute. I want to get in Chitra ji, spokesperson of the Congress party.
Is this a warning of an economic crisis? That's the question.
No, Chitra ji,
has the country fallen into deep economic crisis? That's the question BJP spokesperson must answer today.
Okay, Chitra ji, before the BJP spokesperson answers, Chitra ji, I want to ask you, what exact problem does the opposition have with the Prime Minister announcing? Actually, he's not even announced measures. He's just made a simple appeal. Ki deshwasiyo, this is what I think needs to be done because we need to be future prepared. Now, if the Prime Minister is warning you of what is to come and is guiding you to a situation where maybe the brunt is not as bad as other countries will have it, what is the problem? So, आपकी problem क्या है? The fact that these austerity measures are being spoken about, or that these austerity measures are being spoken about after elections?
Shreya, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to speak amidst the chaos that was created by the earlier spokespersons. I mean, it's laughable the manner in which the Prime Minister has proved himself that he is not just compromised, but he is a total reckless and he is a total hypocritic person. You're talking about the austerity measures being such a simple suggestion. I mean, why is the suggestion coming 3 months into the war? Was he not aware of it? What are the contingency measures that when the Strait of Hormuz was closed for everybody, that the Prime Minister has taken to ensure that there is no energy crisis. The rupee is at the worst performing thing in so many since independence. It has since the last decade, it has been on its worst performing pedestal. So why these questions were not put forth towards the Prime Minister earlier? See, the priorities of the Prime Minister are completely misplaced. He is a Pradhan Pracharak, and he has proved himself to be a very good Pradhan Pracharak and not a Pradhan Sevak, and which is why time and again we have seen that whenever the elections are coming, they will lie tooth and nail, and after the elections are over, they will increase the prices of gas, essential commodities. The Prime Minister is saying now, na khane dunga, na khaunga, na khane dunga. He is asking people not even to cook now pakoras. The pakoda economics that he has brought into picture. So I think, where is this country going? Where is the Prime Minister taking? He is not a visionary
Chitraji,
person.
but are we aware of the fact that there is a war? There is a war in the Middle East. Because of the war, the Strait of Hormuz is shut. Because of that, there is a squeeze on our energy supplies.